Scotty with the body gets on live and gives us a full vlog of how to prepare her delicious cravings, the salads, as we get to see. So love you and enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh Lord. Okay, I'm a free mama for probably a good 20 minutes. I was not able to cut this shit the way I needed to. She was in the way. And she was heavy. She's 12 pounds. Oh my God. Yes. She's 12 pounds. Literally. And she's changing. It's so cute. Just take it. What y'all talking about? Now I can get into it. What y'all talking about? Y'all want to be messy? Y'all be messy on my life? So I'm making 3 things today. First thing that's not going to be ready until 3 a.m. really for lunch tomorrow is pot roast. I'm making spaghetti for tonight, which is back there. It's already ready. That literally takes 20 minutes. So I'll probably cook that before I work out. And then right now I'm doing a Greek salad, which is going to be for my lunch today. So yeah. Which is already 4 o'clock. I'm going to eat this and then probably go for a little walk with Icy so she can get some sun. This is so cute. Had to eat it. So sweet. Oh my God. Some tomatoes don't be hitting. Like, sometimes they don't be sweet. They be like a little tart. But these... y'all, I'm just so happy. Like, life with a child, an infant, whatever you want to call it, it's really amazing. I love my life. I love watching her grow. I love teaching her. I just love learning about, like, her. Like, just her in general. When she smiles, when she has to poop or pee, the faces she makes, and new little words that or little cooing that she says, you know, her hair changing every day. Like, it's just a beautiful thing. It's so beautiful. Someone said add pressure. Pressure. Girl, I met Pressure when I was in Miami. This was after she was like, now why would you bring your baby around this? We don't want that for you. Oh, please, Pressure. Please. Oh, please, girl. No, but she's sleeping. This salad is so freaking good. Thank you. The pants were too short, so when it came with pants, I just did this together. Victoria's Secret, you know, they had a sale on Amazon yesterday. Well, I don't know how long it's been going on, but it was still going on yesterday. I got this off of Amazon, but it's from Victoria's Secret. It was just on sale. She's in her swing over here. Oh, sorry, doggy. She keep moving this blanket here. So cutesy. Oh no. Let me see what y'all. I'm eating a Greek salad. It's so crazy because I started at 3 o'clock and it took me an hour to do my what is it called? Pot roast. and make my lunch. I love motherhood. I know my acne has been going crazy, honestly, but I am grateful for a healthy baby. If that means I have acne, then hey, I'm fine. Rice. I'm gonna make rice with my pot roast. The dogs love her. He's just watching his little human. Okay, so someone just asked if I had a baby boy, what would I name him? I have a name, but I don't want to say it. If it was a normal, name, I would say it. There is one person in the industry who has the name, but I want to say she's in the industry, maybe in the streamer world, I don't know, but yeah. I got something in my nail. Y'all look at everything. It's just better. Gifting suspended. Because I showed my baby. You can show your baby on live on TikTok? Wait, what? That's actually weird. Yeah, I'm still going through postpartum. I think everyone just handles it a little differently. I know I'm like super emotional and the postpartum thoughts are heavy for me, but I don't know why it keeps doing that. I don't know if she changes, but in person, no cameras around, just her. She gives very nice, very loud and fun. Because we were at a restaurant, and everyone had already been drinking and everything. And we actually went out to a club. She went out to the club with us. Yeah, Pressure, she seems really cool. I just, on TV, Pressure, girl, you are crazy. I can't get over you telling that girl, you telling Ciroc, well, maybe you deserved it. And then you said, okay, let's just fight. And then you just swinging and hitting everybody. Like, girl. I know they was tired of you this season. It's giving like summer, but just a little better. Just a little tweak, a little. You're not that annoying. You're not that annoying. I love that for y'all though. Baddies is really like elevating. I love that. There's no stopping it. Okay? Because I'm actually in tune. Like, when I'm on the season, I can't watch it because I'm on it and I already know what happened, but this is like the first time I'm not on the cast and I'm watching it at home. I'm actually liking it. It's a lot of fighting. It's like more fighting every season. It's just like more. Crazier and crazier and crazier. But yeah. Lim is at work, y'all. This man works. Like, he works a 9 to 5. Y'all don't be hearing him all the time. He's just the intern. He gotta go to work. He don't have to, but that's what he chooses to do. He wanna go to work. And now he's at the office, y'all. He's at the office working. He was here this morning, of course, and then to work. What y'all saying? Look, listen, okay? You do tomatoes. You do all the pepper colors, yellow, orange, red, and green. Tomatoes and cucumbers, right? And then I'm about to show y'all what you put next after I cut all this stuff up. Because this salad, like, is so healthy. It's so good for you. If you're breastfeeding, this is so amazing for your baby's nutrition. The last pepper. Then we can move on to the seasonings. Because, baby, let me show y'all the sauce I'm using. Or the dressing. Alright, so dressing, we're going to do, what is this? Red wine vinegar, Olive Garden Italian, vinaigrette, and then there's this sauce. So you're going to put a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so there is balsamic that you can use, but the balsamic you really want to use is this one. It's a glaze, and you put this on top. So that's the one we're going to use. She loved putting her face in this blanket. What's wrong with her? She just be moving the blanket and just put it in her face. Like, what are you doing? Crazy. I've been acting brand new. You really ran through before I ever trap you. Yeah, so just gonna make hot roast. I'm also making a Greek salad, which I've been eating Greek salad for I don't know how long now. And honestly, I think it was before I got pregnant, I started like really craving it, which was so weird. And now I just eat it all the time. My acne has been annoying. Real annoying, but we're getting it there. We're getting it there. I have a healthy, beautiful baby, so I don't care about the acne, to be honest. Mama. The little picture up there is crazy. Okay, let me start acting up. This is probably not gonna be done until 3 in the morning, so I'm gonna make spaghetti tonight, but as of right now, I'm just gonna prep my roast beef. First. Stomping on the napkins is gonna be hard. So I literally use napkins every second. Okay. So weird. Hey. Alright, I need to get my seasonings out. Olive oil. So I didn't know there was two kinds of steak blends, y'all. So there's one all-purpose. Oh no, all-purpose seasoning. But it says meat and veggie at the bottom. I never noticed that. I don't really know if I should use the steak blend. Definitely using garlic and onion. Adobo, black seasoning, black pepper, Italian and oregano. I put Italian oregano and blackened on everything, but not on everything. But I may not use Italian for this though. I'm gonna use oregano though. Alright, got them all. Let me just show you guys. What? Don't you want to be with your mommy? Here, let me take this one off. That make you happy? She don't know what she want. Don't start. Don't start, baby. Let's put the other mitten on. I know, I'm sorry. I can't see what y'all saying. Let me season this first and then I will look at y'all's questions or just support. All right, y'all. So for my roast beef, we are going to start with adobo, all-purpose seasoning, but also you gotta stab your meat so all the juices, seasoning can get in the middle of it. The sides are too. There we go. All right, so I'm using garlic, onion, what I use, I'm gonna put it over here. We're gonna use all-purpose tenders. I just got this. Mamas don't know nothing about this music. You want to hear that Beethoven and shh, shh. Right. Then we got the buttery steak. Just a little bit of this, not too much. Just sit on top. Black pepper. A little bit of caramelized onion. Blackened seasoning. Cumin. Alright, so that's it for now. That's just what we put it on the seasoning. And we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Adobo. And then we have all-purpose. I'm making beef stew for those who just joined in. I'm just seasoning my meat. Bless you, stink eye. If it's not seasoned, if you're not sneezing, it's not seasoned. Right, mama? Onion powder. Garlic. Bless you, baby. I'm sorry, is this too much for your little nose? At least we know you can smell. Okay, buttery steak. A little bit on top. Blackened seasoning. Black pepper. Caramelized butter. Caramelized onion butter. Blackened seasoning. Cumin. Oregano. Ain't nothing in here. He's saying BBL demon. I didn't realize they're saying BBL demon in the back. Alright, I think I used everything. So that's that. Now I'm gonna put it in my crock pot and I'm gonna turn it on, let it sit for a little bit. So while I'm waiting for that, I'll put all these seasonings. Put that right there. Hey, you sleepy baby. Sleepy baby. It's mommy's sleepy baby. I know. I'm gonna cut up my potatoes, put them in here, my carrots. I need to get my stand. I need Barbara to go get it so I can at least look at what y'all are saying. So I can't see the music, lol. What about the music? What's wrong with my music? What, Icelynn shouldn't be listening to this music? Icelynn normally doesn't really listen to this, so I don't turn this on like that around her unless I'm like in the car. But that's why I said she don't really know about this music right now. You hear her talking, y'all? She's talking. Well, gibber baby. Cooing. She's cooing. Right, mama? Cooing? Cooing, baby? I can't see. Oh, thank you. Going real fast. Y'all hear her? She's like, that's what she sounds like. I love this for her. Y'all, I really cannot wait to like make carrots for her, make them, you know, boil them or however. I think it's boiled. You okay, baby? Got hiccups? No? Yeah, hiccups. It's okay. I hate when she gets hiccups. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Ooh, she getting heavy, y'all. She like 12 pounds now. But no, I can't wait to cook for her. Like mashed potatoes and string beans, peppers, all the vegetables, squash, zucchini, what is it, sweet potato. I can't wait. I'm so extra, but I literally cannot wait. I cannot wait for her to start like nibbling. I can't wait for her to like sit up. Once she sits up, the time can slow down. So I'm tired of having the like, you know, she can only like on a stroller, a swing. Like I can't just, you know, sit her down and she just stay right there. She's gonna like lean over or fall, you know. But today was the first time that she got in like the little, I don't know what it's called. It sits on the floor. It's a little chair and it, like she sits in it. She just got in that today, literally. The first time. She was in it for 10 minutes. She hasn't done her tummy time today yet, but we're gonna do it eventually before the day is over. She did a little bit when I was, after she ate. Because sometimes when I burp her, I put her on her stomach and she like lifts her head up. So that counts too. But I like when she goes in her actual like playpen. She's talking, y'all. Oh, she stopped. I guess is when I talk, is when she want to talk. She want to be like, mommy. Go ahead, mama, tell them. Tell them what you're saying. Oh, it's a doggy. Scared a baby? I'm sorry. Oh, look who it is. Sorry, it's a mess in the kitchen.
It's all good. Is Lynn here?
No, he left.
Okay.
I'm on live.
Period.
Oh yeah, Marlos is here, y'all.
Hey, you all. Oh, she is cooking. What's this, like pot roast?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
You know.
Oh, and this about to be good, y'all. She got all this things. And she got the beefy onion. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you
the
know.
bouillon. Yeah.
We from the East Coast.
Listen, it's a little different over here, y'all. Y'all don't get this food in LA. Like
and you know I had to
this.
hunt some of these seasons down.
Shade, yeah. If I leave before this is done,
Yeah, of course.
I'm definitely calling me a car.
You know me and Lenny not gonna eat it all.
Inside?
Yeah, I'm making spaghetti just in case, because this may be done at 3 a.m. type shit. So
wait, this is just a crock pot?
Yeah.
Why you don't order a pressure cooker?
I don't know. I'm from the South.
I'm trying to tell you that pressure cooker.
About that.
It'll be done in an hour.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's how I do the oxtail. I don't, honestly, unless I want to just sit in the house all day.
Yeah.
If I have something else to do, I'll just throw it in the oven. But yeah,
I never. Well, let me look into that.
Yeah, you can I'm sure you had to deliver it here. 20 minutes, Bridget.
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna look into that. You get on my nerves.
Girl, you do that every house.
I do. Literally. Or Amazon, same day.
How you did get this? Y'all, Scotty is so rich, y'all. Y'all can see everything she got. This bitch got every appliance. I'm surprised she don't have a pressure cooker.
I know.
Girl, hers gonna be giving, hey, can you make this meal? Have it done by 2? It's like, yes, this bitch.
I need to do that. Shit.
Okay, let's go make this carpet out. Oh, it feels so good to be home.
I don't want to do
I
that.
bet.
I want to be down here with her.
Aww. Marlos don't need you. I love Marlos. Hey, Capri. Y'all see why Capri don't bark? Y'all don't never hear her bark? Because she screams when she barks. She doesn't bark. She screams. Like, what type of dog are you? You're screaming. Hush. High-pitched bark. I've been working on myself not cursing, y'all. Because even now, like, she's just looking straight up at me. Like, you know how many times I wanted to say the B word and the F word just now? Like, I realized, like, maybe a month ago, even though she can't really understand right now, but eventually she will. And it's like the way she be looking up at me, like, oh yeah, she's definitely learning everything I'm saying. Everything. It's kind of hard to cut this with you right here, mama. It's okay. We're going to get it done, Miss Hiccups. One thing about me, I love potatoes in my roast beef, hot roast, whatever. I love me a potato. But yeah, I cut this up and then I'm gonna wash them and then I'm gonna throw it in there. The crock pot is good. I don't know. He's talking about this pressure cooker. Y'all know I'm from the South. I like to slow cook my stuff. Like, that might be some new generation shit right there. I gotta look into it. I'm not gonna downplay it, but I don't know nothing about it. Does anyone have a pressure cooker? Trying to see. Yes, you like your pressure cooker? Is it worth getting? Should I keep my crock pot? Is it the same? Like, what's tea? All of it? Okay. She's getting a little difficult right now. I'm trying to cut these in little squares. It's only because my crock pot is not that big. So, like, I can't be having big old potatoes in there. She just got her hiccups trying to go to sleep. Sometimes she be talking herself to sleep and it's so cute. She like just mumbling little things. Little baby words. So cute. She got hiccups right now. I hate that for her. Whew. This baby heavy. She's asleep. This is how I get things done, y'all. Literally, the baby like this on me. Or the swing. It's she loves the swing. I don't know why I got 2 bags of these because I'm only gonna need 1 bag. These are like soft a little bit. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. The red ones are hard.
Scotty had to say who she voted for and the reason why she voted for Trinity and Bryce.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just want to say this. I did vote for Trinity and Bryce because I really like Trinity. She grew on me, y'all. Trinity is that girl. But yeah, I did vote for them, so I am happy that they won. That was actually like refreshing and beautiful to see a black woman win. Love Icelynn. Love it, love it, love it down. All right. The uneven cuts, I know. It'll be all right. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if I spoiled it for you if you haven't watched it. But honestly, if you're on the internet, you've had to see it by now. Don't do me. Yes, I'm breaking out. I am. My acne has been so horrible during this postpartum. Like all on the jawline, over my chin. So annoying, but it's just for the moment. It's not forever. Man, don't give me that. All right, now let's put this here. I don't know why it does that. Okay. Now I'm about to put the meat in the crock pot on. Ooh. So now that that's in there, let me wash these. Bad news. Time I'm back for rich niggas get you both, get you all, everything. Some black pepper, a little garlic. I'm gonna need more garlic seasoning because that's gone. Just because I want a little steam, y'all don't gotta do this, okay? But I'm gonna do it. Y'all don't gotta do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a little seasoned salt in there. We got go. All right. That's good. You know the way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, let me show you how my bowl is about to look. It's crazy. Because I have this big bowl, I gotta add stuff and make sure it's enough. Alright, that's good. Alright, let me show you how I put it. Right. Hand me the brush and say paint it. Give me some love. You gotta make sure you get that juice down in there. Be a little hard because over you. I don't have that much juice. My baby. Okay. So, boom. The presentation, we just, I'm not that great at it. Oh, hold on, my daughter's covering her face with the blanket. Perfect. She loves covering that cute little face of hers. Alright, so boom. Once you put that in there, now the yummy part. Balsamic glaze. You put this right on top. Oh, wait. So I got 2 of these because I mixed mine. Garlic herb and tomato basil. Better. Why I use both? For the taste. Okay? Cut a little. So to have that one and the other half this one. Right? Alright, now we do the glaze, right? You just put that right on top. You want to know what's really good with this? Salmon. So this is how it looks. It's really yummy, really delicious. I'm telling y'all, hop on it. I would never steer y'all wrong. Ooh, yeah, it's still seasoned. Period. Stop playing. Still seasoned. I don't know who this is, but she's singing her heart out. It's trash. All done. I need a pump.
That was the entire vlog of Scotty with her daughter as they were in the kitchen cooking Scotty's cravings delicious salads. So how did you find that entire lovely video?